My God, guys, it looks like a watermelon. Oh my God, this is so heavy. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Slimeatory. I wanted to scare you guys. Comment down below if I did. Anyways, today I'm going to be another slime smoothie. Giant slime smoothie. This is going to be a very big slime smoothie. I haven't done one of these in a while, so yeah. And today's liquid challenge is going to be, you guys have to jump and then reach for the sky. And then press the like button. Let's get straight on into the video. Yo. Alright guys, so first, let's get this out of the way actually. So first we got this one. I have no idea. This was probably most likely maybe a fluffy slime. And you know, you know what I love about fluffy slimes? When they become old, because they have the coolest texture ever and they like become glossy and clicky and they're super soft at the same time. So I really love old fluffy slimes. Alright, we just need to add a little bit more activator. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna leave it like this, covered in borax. Oh, let's go ahead and put that in there. Oh, it worked. Wow. Okay. What if we did 10 layers of giant slimes? We should do that, guys. Like later, I'm saying. Do 10 layers, you know? Next one we have, guys, is that a bug? Oh, that was a bug. Alrighty, now we should add a little bit of activator. Wow, it got dry on the bottom. Oh, yes.
That's a really huge slime smoothie, Ameerah.
They get so thick. Now we're gonna add this one. Yes. It's a watermelon, guys. Oh, wait. It's an inverted watermelon. I was like, wait a second. There's something wrong here. There's something not right. Okay, here's the next one. This one is a green. Did I hit the camera? This one is a green. Is that a freaking fly's wing? Alright, there it is. It's pretty good still. Can you guys guess what glue this is?
I can.
Okay, and say it. 3, 2, 1.
Green screen slime.
No.
What?
Really?
Yeah.
No, it's Nickelodeon green glue.
No.
Oh my God.
Looks like green screen slime.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of activator. I really only needed a little bit that time though, but it was still funny.
Hey Ameerah.
What?
You have cringy hands.
Yeah, I do. And yes. There we go. Now we're gonna put another green slime. Yes. Oh my God, what is this? What the heck? Why are these slimes so thick? What is this? I feel like this is a slime smoothie. What do you think, Paul?
Yep.
Wait, this is a slime smoothie of all my slime smoothies. Alright, let's put the activator. What slime was this? Seriously, what slime was this? Okay, well, I do not remember this slime at all, but let's just go ahead and do some ASMR with it. It's super thick. Super thick.
Another green slime?
Yeah, I have a lot of green slimes. I think it's because I usually make blue and yellow and then I mix it. Ta-da! Next it is this one. I just made it. It is a slime smoothie of all my store-bought slimes. Oh my God, no. Don't do this again. Don't do this. I don't like this slime smoothie. Alrighty. Guys, this, oh look, it's a watermelon now. Kinda. Alright, let's get on to the next one. Alright guys, here's this one. This one was, you know what? You guys guess it. You guys guess it. I want you to try and guess it. We're gonna do the little guessing game, slime game anyways. Basically you guys just try and guess what video this is from. Okay, so this one is Jiggly. And it was a mix of colors, specifically 3. And we didn't just pour the colors in, we did it in a different way. You guys guess what it is? Now you can say the answer. 3, 2, 1.
3 colors of glue challenge with piping bags.
There we go, Paul got it. Did you guys get it too? All right. You guys comment down below round 1 and say yay if you did get it. Nay if you didn't. Let's go ahead and put this inside the box. same thing. Alright, next one. Can you guys guess what this slime is from? Paul keeps saying the answer. So guys, this one is very similar to the last one because it was made in like the same way. So can you guys guess what it is? 3, 2, 1. If you guessed slime, 3 colors of slime with piping bags, you were correct.
That one looks really nice.
Yeah, I like this one. It kind of looks like a chocolate milk. Alright, it's getting heavier, guys. Whoopsies. Whoopsies. Here we go. This is a very big slime smoothie. I think this is the biggest slime smoothie we've ever done.
That's okay, there's no casualties.
Here's this one. I don't know if this is even in a video, but it is gorgeous, and I don't really want to put it in the slime smoothie, but I'm going to put it in the slime smoothie.
Whoa.
Yeah, I know.
Here you go, Ameerah.
I already got 8 ounce.
Okay, but I want an 8 ounce.
Okay. It must be very beautiful because Paul wants an 8 ounce.
It's not sticky at all, Ameerah.
Wait, bubble. I don't want to get rid of this slime. Alright guys, so since I don't want to put this in this slime smoothie, we're going to go ahead and give it away to you guys. We're going to give away however many 8 ounces this is. I think it's 3 8 ounce. Alrighty, it's 3 8 ounce, guys. We're gonna be giving out 3 8 ounce. So all you have to do is find the secret emoji around in this video. So you're gonna have to try and find it and then comment it. So yeah. Comment down below the emoji and we will pick 3 random people and make sure you put your Instagram or your email. Just something, or just contact except your phone number. Don't put your phone number. But just put your Instagram or your email or Facebook, I guess. And that is it for the giveaway. I'm not going to be putting this in the slime smoothie. Thank you very much. Next is this one. This one's really nice. This one oh yeah. I did an extreme makeover on it and it used to be an 8 ounce, but then a lot of stuff happened in between and I overactivated it. It became a weird squid because I put soap in it and now it's this. Turned out pretty nice. I like the texture a lot and the color, and yeah, it's very pretty. And it gained like 16 pounds. Alright, so let's go ahead and put this in the slime smoothie. Don't you think it'd be funny to keep bringing the box up and it get bigger and bigger? Ah, it's getting bigger, guys. Here we go. Look at that. So many bubbles. So next we have, oh my god! What happened to it? Okay, I have no idea what happened to it, but something happened to it. Alrighty, should we even put this in the slime smoothie? It's kind of really hard. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw away all this. Alright, so here it is, guys. So that is that. The other part is the sand. I don't know if you guys know where this is from. This is from making a slime in the desert. This is Charlie's slime. He put a bunch of sand. We thought it'd be cool to put a bunch of sand in it, and we got a bunch of sand. We put it in there, so yeah. So I feel like this will crackle a lot. It looks really cool, so I'm gonna be quiet now. I love how it moves. It's so crazy. So we're not gonna put this in the slime smoothie because otherwise the whole slime smoothie is just gonna turn into a bunch of sand. So yeah, there it is, guys. There you go. That one's not really spreading. Next one is this one. Here it is. Can you guys guess where this is from? Well, can you?
Looks really nice, Ameerah. This one in particular.
Wow. Alrighty guys, so this one Paul likes a lot, if that doesn't give it away already. It's gold pigment, it's got foam beads, and it's got a lot of stuff. Lots of rounds of stuff. This one actually, we got the ingredients in boxes. So yeah. 3, 2, 1. If you guys get mystery slime box challenge, then you are correcto. It smells so good. All right, let's bring it. Here you go. Goodbye, beautiful slime. Next one is this one. Alrighty guys, so now we're gonna put this one. This one is also very similar to this gold one, if you guys can tell. So yeah, 3, 2, 1. If you guys guessed the mystery slime box one, then you're right. Alrighty, next one is this one. I have no idea where this is from. It seems like a Nickelodeon slime, but it doesn't.
Maybe it's the green screen slime.
No, I don't think so. But maybe. Alright, we'll just put that in there. For some reason, it's melted on one side, so let's just go ahead and... Alright guys, that is it. Here's our slime smoothie. Whoa, look at those layers. Well, I guess this is our slime smoothie. We have to mix it first. We got a smoothie at first. Alright guys, let's do this. Whoa, that looks like a avalanche slime. Nobody makes avalanche slimes anymore. It's so sad. There is so much. Oh my god. I love how the pink and the Nickelodeon green slime looks. My god, guys. It looks like a watermelon. Oh my god, this is so heavy. Oh my god, guys, there's so much. I am so tired. This is like really making me tired, but it looks so cool. I love how the green and the pink look. It looks like a watermelon. Hey guys, should we do a giant watermelon slime? What do you guys think? This is a giant slime smoothie, guys. Yay, bubble! Think we're almost done, guys. Ta-da! There is so much glitter on those slimes, guys. There's a bunch of glitter. Hope you liked today's video. Make sure you comment down below if you guys want me to do a part 2. And yeah, that is it, guys. Thank you so much, and I really hope I see you next time. Bye!